Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. In the last few days, we've been talking about Solana being still in this corrective wave pattern here, this corrective structure that would suggest further downside. We are seeing that today we are at 2130 and we're going to zoom in a minute. I think with that level, Solana has lost support and is forecasted to go down further in line with our projection from the last few videos. The primary count that we're currently following here, because the price is adhering quite nicely to it, is that we rallied in a wave 1. We came down in a wave 2 here to the 10th of March low. And since then, we've been moving up again in a wave 1 of larger degree wave 3. And this is now a WXY correction. And as long as we're holding 1778 and we do not break and sustain below that level, we should be able to get a third wave of a third wave rally afterwards. That's the primary bullish count. There is an alternative bullish count. Should we lose 1778, we would still be looking at this as a wave 1, which topped in January, but then the move down as an A wave, this here as a B wave, and that we're coming down in a larger C wave, and that could take us down quite a bit. And in this alternative bullish count, the last bullish support I would accept as likely for still a third wave rally is the $12 level. Below $12, I think we are looking for new bear market lows. Again, ideally, we're holding 1778. That would be, well, much clearer. It would give us much more clarity. And also below 1778, I would get a bit more concerned about new bear market lows already, because we're about then to invalidate the primary bullish case. So in a third wave rally from here, we could certainly break above that 2680 level. That is key resistance, and that is ultimately the level that we need to break for confirmation that we are in a third wave rally. Because if we zoom out a little bit, you can see that we had lots of support here before around that level, 2680. And then resistance, and since November we haven't really been we haven't managed to get above that level anymore. Okay, so let's zoom into the detailed count. Currently it is suggestive of an ABC correction down within a Y wave. A Y wave consists of 3 waves and consists of ABC. So we talked about this being an A wave, here the high B wave reacted perfectly to the golden ratio. And then I think it was yesterday where I suggested this could be already a 1-2 setup with a third wave down to come in wave C, then a wave 4 and a 5. And so far the market is adhering to this wave count. This remains valid, this assumption, as long as we do not break above the wave 2 high at 2330. Above that level we may have to adjust perspectives, not necessarily to imminently bullish, but to maybe just an extended B wave, so that this B wave is just going to be extended a little bit. So heading further to the downside here would make us investigate a target for the third wave. So obviously we are about to lose support here, 21, what was that support level, 2125, right? That support we're currently holding above that. We broke it briefly already. But this is relevant support. If we break and sustain below that, we have additional confirmation that we are in the third wave. And the target for the third wave, you can calculate that just now, is at around 1880. Okay, the 1.618 extension. Then we ideally get a fourth wave bounce and a fifth wave down. And that could still allow us to stay in the yellow support area. So as soon as we get a little bit more detail here, I will, of course, update you. Could be that this is a small 1-2 setup in the third wave, but then we really go very, very micro here. Those counts are often subject to frequent change, but for now, the situation is unchanged and the price is just sort of following through at the moment. Should we break above that wave 2 high, as I said, then we would have to look at an extended B wave, and the resistances that we had on the chart will remain valid all the way up to 2487. Above that level, it may be more suggestive of a breakout to the upside, but the problem, if it's still a B wave, and if the price action is not impulsive but corrective to the upside, B waves can lead to false breakouts. So this is really just standard resistance for a B wave. They can always extend a bit further. So, but we're going to talk about that when it becomes a problem. All right, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.